Welcome to Quran for Humanity. Here we discuss various topics about the Quran. In our current series of Understanding Islam, we are discussing submission. In our last video, we have seen that the word Islam means submission. We have also seen submission has to be voluntary, out of our own choice, and it has to be honest and with full conviction. But submission gains importance for one salient point, one important point, and that is to whom we are submitting. What are the attributes and qualities of the entity of the power to whom we are submitting? So be with us till the end of video. And please subscribe to our channel if you have not subscribed it so far. All the praise belong to Allah, the most merciful, the most compassionate, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad, his family and his companions. As such, the idea of submission is very strange and at odds with the today's feeling of freedom and liberty. Submission sounds weak, defeating and humiliating. It will be very harsh if someone is forced into submission. But at the same time, it is human nature, it is our nature to get gravitated, to be drifted towards the people of power, people of authority, people who has achieved some extraordinary feat in the fields of arts, music, or sports. Or we are gravitated towards celebrities. We try to get nearer to them. We try to connect with them. And we feel proud of our connection, our affiliation with them. So in our case, in our context, are we trying to connect with some ordinary person, some person of authority, some person of power, some sportsman, some celebrity? No. There is no comparison whatsoever with all whom we have described so far. We are trying to connect with the highest authority, highest power in this world. We are trying to connect with the one who created this entire universe, who created all the planets and the stars, who created this earth, everything in this earth, who created you and me and all of us. We owe our existence to Him. None of us would have been here but for Him, and we will return to Him after our death. So let's check some of attributes and qualities of God very briefly. God or Allah is one and only. There is no associate, no partner with Him. He has no subordinate. He is unique, without any partner or equal. There is none who resembles Him. And this is the most fundamental, basic principle of Islam. He is self-sufficient. Everyone else depends on Him, and everything else depends on Him. He is ever-living, He is eternal. Allah is omnipotent. Allah has complete power over all things. He is the King. He is the ultimate sovereign, ruler of all creations. He is Almighty. all powerful and exalted in might. He is all powerful, He is supreme. Nothing happens without His will, without His permission. His power encompasses all things. Allah or God is all knowing. He knows everything, whether visible or hidden, past or future or present. Allah is Hakim, is all wise. Allah's wisdom is beyond human understanding. Everything He does has a purpose. He is knower of the unseen. Allah knows what is hidden and what is in our hearts. He is the creator of universe and everything in the universe. He is Al-Khaliq. Everything in the universe, on the earth and the skies are created by Allah. Allah created universe from nothing. Allah is the source of life and death. He gives life, He causes death. He is sustainer of life. He provides sustenance to all creation. And He protects everyone. He is sustainer, He is protector. He is also Al-Razzaq, the provider, who provides our sustenance, who provides for all our needs. At the same time, He is Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Despite our shortcomings, Allah continuously shows mercy upon us and provides countless blessings upon all of His creations. Allah's mercy is infinite and encompasses all His creations. He is Ar-Rahim, the most compassionate. Allah will shower special mercy to the believers in the hereafter. He is forgiver of sins. He forgives sins for those who repent sincerely. Allah's forgiveness is vast. No sin is too great to be forgiven if one repents sincerely. Allah is just. Allah will ensure ultimate justice in hereafter. He will reward the righteous and He will hold accountable the wrongdoers. He is source of Hidayah. He is Al-Hadi. He provides guidance. He is a guide. Allah guides whom He wills to the straight path. For guidance, Allah has sent many prophets and many scriptures. He is giver of peace. He is As-Salam. He is source of peace. Allah is the originator of peace and grants serenity to His servants. From Him we get the peace, the ultimate thing humanity is looking for. There is lot to know about God. We will cover more details in our future videos, God willing. But once we reflect on the attributes and qualities of the God, submission becomes naturally desirable. The complexity and the beauty of this universe, from giant galaxies to tiniest atom, declares the beauty and power of God, of Allah. It declares His wisdom. In fact, everything in this universe has already submitted to God. To human, God has given the liberty, free will, whether to submit or to ignore. But the submission will become natural move if we focus on the qualities and attributes of the God, of Allah, to whom we are going to submit. Allah's greatness and His attributes inspire awe and gratitude. We feel compelled to connect with Him. There is no shame, no remorse in submitting to such powerful entity, to the one whom we owe our existence. In fact, it's sheer luck, good fortune, it's a privilege to connect with Him. If we decide to connect with God, to submit to God, it is our step towards the strength, towards self-improvement, towards purification of heart, towards sense of fulfillment, towards peace and tranquility, and the success in the afterlife. With this, we have come to the end of today's discussion. We will bring you more talks about this topic, and if you have not subscribed us so far, please do subscribe and press the bell sign so that you get notification for all our new videos. If you have any question about the Islam and the Quran, do mention those in the comments below. We will try to answer them as much as possible. If you want to read the Quran yourself in your own language, you may download it from quranforhumanity.org. We have got translations of the Quran in more than 100 languages. May guidance and peace be upon entire humanity.